Hey, this is Tim. I'm gonna do a quick little video. It's 2012 Buick Enclave, but it's any GM 3.6. Just gonna show you how to do the crank sensor and what part number it is. You gotta go up under here in the back. It'll be a 13 on this first one here. I'm sorry, a 15. A 15 on that first one, and then you got one back here that is a 10. Okay, we're gonna be taking that off. Take this little shield off here. Alright, just pull that out of your way, drop it down. You got a knock sensor right here, and that is your crank sensor right here. You're gonna pull your red switch up right here. Probably have to get a screwdriver, pull it up, and then we'll undo it and put the new one in. I tell you, if it's easier for you, sometimes it's easier. You just take it off, and then that way you can get to the that way you can get to the plug a little bit easier. See here. There we go. Ooh, that was filthy. But yeah, you gotta pop this red thing up and then undo your kind of hard to do with one hand, but let's see if I can. Hold on just a second. Okay, now you gonna get it. You can get it right here on the back. Now you can just push that in. Come right off, and that's it. Oh, that's your old one. This is the part number. It's a EC920 with a new one like that. And of course, you reverse the process. All right, here we go. And of course, leg it back up. Push the red thing back down. And then put your shield back on. Okay. Remember, it's a 10 on the top and a 15 on the bottom. Alright. Put your heat shield back on. Get everything plugged up. And that is it. And I'm done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.